The Rode Wireless Go 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a wireless microphone setup, the Rode Wireless Go 2. I will go over specs, features, then provide some audio samples. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide, SC5 TRS to TRS cable, 3 USB-C to USB-A cables, 3 windscreens, and a carrying pouch. Just to briefly highlight some features. Dual channel microphone system for recording 2 sound sources simultaneously. 2.4 GHz transmission with 200 meters line of sight. Onboard recording option and app integration. 7-hour battery, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. Omnidirectional polar pattern, and a frequency range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz. Looking at the receiver and transmitters, they are thin and compact. The receiver has a clip on the back which will slide into your standard cold shoe mount. On the side of the receiver, you have the USB-C connector and 3.5mm TRS output. The bottom, you'll find the gain and mute button and the pair and channel button. And the top has the power button. The transmitters are the same size as the receiver, and it has the Rode branding on the front and the back. On the top of the receivers, you have the 3.5mm TRS input, microphone, battery, and connectivity LED indicators. The side, you'll find the USB-C connector, and the bottom has a power button. This is how they look all powered up. On the receiver, you can see the power levels for both the transmitters. You can select an individual transmitter as well, and also merge and split the record mode into separate channels or to combine the two into a single output, as you can see. And finally, you have a gain control from high, medium, and low. You can toggle all these settings that I just mentioned via the Rode Central mobile app as well. Attaching the windscreen is just a clockwise turn to lock it into place and a counterclockwise turn to remove it. It feels very secure. Using the GoPro Media Mod Kit, the receiver can slide into the side or on the top mounts. Again, this will work on your standard cold shoe mount, so DSLRs are not an issue. And now for some audio samples and a range test. Alright, now I'm using the GoPro Media Mod microphone. So this is the microphone you're hearing from the GoPro Media Mod. And in a moment here, I'll switch over to the wireless Rode Go. And you can see the difference. Again, this is the Media Mod microphone for the GoPro. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. It is a little bit windy, so hopefully you can hear the difference with the noise and when I put on the windscreen on the Rode Wireless Go. Testing 1 2 3. This is the microphone from the GoPro Media Mod Kit. Okay, now this is the microphone from the Rode Wireless Go 2. So now you're hearing it from the Rode Wireless Go 2. This is without the windscreen, and I'll put the windscreen on next. Again, this is the audio coming out of the Rode Wireless Go 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Rode Wireless Go 2. Okay, now I have attached the windscreen on the microphone of the Rode Wireless Go 2. And as I mentioned earlier, it is a little bit windy, so hopefully you can see the difference between the windscreen on and the windscreen off. Again, you're hearing the audio from the Rode Wireless Go 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, now we're gonna test the range. So I'm gonna start off with no windscreen, and I'm gonna make my way down the soccer field here. I'm at the beginning here. Again, it's a little bit windy, as I mentioned, and this is the wireless microphone without the windscreen. Testing 1 2 3. So roughly about a quarter down the field. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone, and this is without the windscreen. So now I'm halfway down the soccer field. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone. I'm going to continue to walk 3/4 down the field. And I'm about 3/4 down the field here. Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone without the windscreen. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. This is the Rode Wireless Go microphone 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I'm at the end of the soccer field. This is with the windscreen on right now. So testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So I'm at the beginning of the soccer field here. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And I'm going to go out about a quarter of the way out here. A quarter into the field here. So testing 1 2 3. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone with the windscreen on. Now I'm going to move to the midpoint of the field. Now I'm halfway down the soccer field here. Hopefully the audio is still coming in. Testing 1 2 3. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone. This is with the windscreen on. Now I'm about 3/4 of the way down in the soccer field. Hopefully the audio is still coming in. Again, this is the Rode Wireless Go 2 with the windscreen on, 3/4 of the way down the soccer field. So now I'm at the end of the soccer field. Testing 1 2 3. Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone with the windscreen on. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, hopefully you heard the differences in those various samples. The range can definitely go further than what I tested, since it's rated for 200 meters and I only did half that. You do need a clean line of sight or else it will get choppy. As I turned my back from the receiver, the audio did break up, but as long as the transmitters are facing the receiver or nothing blocking it, it works with no issues. Overall, these are solid wireless microphones and I was very impressed with the easy setup, range, and sound. So that is my review of the Rode Wireless Go 2. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.